Welcome back to eProjects. In this video, we will show you how to install MetaMask wallet. We'll also cover how to secure your wallet, add other networks, and add tokens, all with a quick and easy guide. For your information, MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet and browser extension that allows users to manage, store, and interact with Ethereum and other Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications, dApps, directly through their web browser. It provides a secure way to create and manage Ethereum wallets, enabling users to send and receive cryptocurrencies, interact with smart contracts, and explore the decentralized web seamlessly. So, let's get started. MetaMask Wallet is available as a browser extension and also as a mobile application. Log on to metamask.io and choose your preferred option, Chrome, iOS, or Android. We'll continue with the installation process for Android, though the steps are similar for the other options as well. Once you download the app, hit Open. On the next prompt, accept the terms and conditions, then select Create a new wallet. If you want to import an existing wallet, click on Import Existing Wallet, which requires the seed phrase you previously noted. Here, we are creating a new wallet. In this window, hit the I agree button. Next, create a strong password for your MetaMask wallet and confirm it. Click Next. A new window will open, revealing your unique seed phrase. Click Next again, and then click to reveal the secret words. Write down the secret backup phrase provided. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Store the backup phrase in a secure place and never share it with anyone. Please note that screenshots or screen recordings won't work in this window, so be sure to note down and secure the phrase manually. In this step, confirm the backup phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Congratulations! Your wallet is now ready. You will see a window displaying your new wallet with the default Ethereum network. You can change the network from the top section. From this list, you can pick your desired network or manually add one, such as Binance Smart Chain or Polygon. To add other tokens, go to the Import Tokens section where you can search for or add a custom token by pasting the smart contract address of the token. I hope you understand the process. Please comment on whether this video was helpful or not, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more useful content. Always check the video description for useful information and important links.